Dear student, today I will discuss some fact about mole concept and their simple calculation based on chemical equation and based on the chemical compounds. So then, let us start. What is mole? We know mole is that number which is equal to as many as particles that present in 12 gram of carbon. कौन कहली धरा जाऊ आमे कार्बन नबा तुम पिला जानिच कार्बन रो एटॉमिक नंबर 6 एटॉमिक मास 12. If I take 12 gram carbon particles, then that 12 gram से 12 gram रे जेतेटा पार्टिकल अच्छी बा एटम्स अच्छंती जेतेटा एटम्स अच्छंती सेटा को आमे 1 मोल कहूचे. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑन बेसिस रे ए कथा को जाई छी. ता माने मोल उडे सही नंबर जे जतिकी नंबर संख्या 12 ग्राम कार्बन रे एटम मानकर संख्या गणिले हेबो. तेणु आम जमी कौचे गोटे लार्ज नंबर परिवर्ते सम टिपिकल वर्ड आम कौचे धरा जाऊ आम 12टा कदली न कही कौचे 1 दर्जन कदली 100 किलोग्राम न कही कौचे 1 क्विंटल 1000 ग्राम न कही कौचे 1 केजी. सिमिलर वे केमिस्ट्री जेहेतु केमिस्ट्री तुम जानिच पिला वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एटम मॉलिक्यूल कंपाउंड एक्सेट्रा जो गुड़ा कि आम खाली आखिर देखिपर ना तांकर नंबर गणिबा भी ठू डिफिकल्ट. देयरफॉर साइंटिस्ट केमिस्ट एवोगाड्रो सजेस्टेड ए नंबर दैट इज 6.023 10 to the power 23. This is the number which is termed in a single word called mole. तमने एतिके नंबर न कही आमे 1 मोल कहले we have to understand that is equal to 6.023 10 to the power 23. तेणु आमे मोल रो डेफिनेशन कहया पई कोन कहि परिबा सही कथा लिखिबा. मोल is a this is the definition large number which is equal to as many as atoms that present in 12 gram or 0.012 gram kg carbon. So that this mole can be used in many problems or to have our solution in chemical problems, and from that we can come to the conclusion. Then 1 mole related to and many things. How? You see, एटी पिले देख 1 मोल कहले आमे कौन बुझू. 1 mole when we are talking about the number then it is equal to number कथा दे आमे कहबा it is equal to 6.023 10 to the power 23 particles. When mole represents weight or mass, then for molecule it is 1 gram molecular mass or 1 gram mole. For molecule, and for atom you can also write same way 1 gram atomic mass 1 gram atom mass or 1 gram atom. When we are talking about the gaseous component, जितने गैस मान कथा विचार करा जाए सेतले मास बदली आमे वॉल्यूम बा आयतन कथा को विचार को नौ. So in that case 1 mole in terms of volume that is 22.4 liter at NTP, volume of gas. So then let us simplify it in some way. 1 mole means this number. If you say 1 mole sulfur, I can say it is equal to 6.023 10 to the 23 sulfur particles. Again, when I say the weight of 1 mole, let's say carbon dioxide, 1 mole of carbon dioxide, then what does it mean? It means the weight means we have to measure the weight in gram unit. So in gram unit, it can be written as 1 mole means the molecular mass of this one, carbon is 12, oxygen 16 into 2, 32, means it is 44. That means 1 mole CO2 gas weighs, ojan of weight is equal to 44 gram. That 44 gram is called simple way 1 gram molecular mass or 1 gram mole. That means when molecular mass is expressed in gram unit, that is called 1 gram molecular mass or 1 gram mole. That is called 1 mole carbon dioxide. Similarly, if I say 1 mole H2SO4 weighs is equal to the molecular mass of H2SO4 hydrogen 2 in plus sulfur 32 plus 16 into 4 64 is equal to 98 gram. That means 1 mole H2SO4 weighs 98 gram. This is what is a simple calculation you can know from the molecular formula. Then next switch over to this for the atom. If I say 1 mole Na atom, sodium atom, what is its weight? Weight is equal to 23 gram because sodium atomic mass 23, so it has to आम कौन करिया पड़े ना 23 को ग्राम यूनिट लिखिदेले मूल कथा को एक्सप्लेन करिवो. Similarly, 1 mole of any gas, 1 mole of carbon dioxide say, 1 mole of oxygen say, you can write this is 22.4 liters at NTP. This is what is this these are only the few applications, or these we can write in all manner, in weight manner or in number of atoms, also in the volume. Basing on the number of atoms, mass and volume, we can able to calculate a number of problems, simple problems in your book. Let us now explain again 1 mole with respect to say simple molecule, let's say oxygen. What does it mean? What can be known from the 1 mole or mole concept about oxygen? If I say 1 mole of oxygen, if I say 1 mole of oxygen, oxygen gas, let's say. 1 mole of oxygen gas means it represents the molecule, because oxygen in gaseous form हम जानते molecule आकारे रहे O2 रूप रे रहे. This is called O2. This is O2. Then 1 mole O2 माने कौन ना माने होची केतना molecule जदि कहबा ना 6.023 10 to the power 23 molecules. जदि आमे number of atoms कथा कहबा, it's because 1 molecule of oxygen जेहेतु गुटे ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल रे 2 एटम्स अछंती बा डिड एटम अछंती, एतिकी मॉलिक्यूल रे जेतरा एटम थिबे तब मींस 2 into 6.023 10 to the 23 atoms of oxygen. So this 2 is called the atomicity, you know. Atomicity is the number of atoms that present in one molecule of that substance. So 2 into number of atoms. This can be, in another way, can be represent that if we are talking about the volume, the volume it is only 22.4 liters at NTP. Again, if I say gram molecule, then it represents 1 gram molecule. 1 gram molecule. If I say about the atom, then it represents 2 gram atoms. And about the weight, oxygen, it is 32 gram oxygen. 32 gram oxygen means 1 mole oxygen weighs 32 gram. These are the simple representation of 1 mole for oxygen molecule. If I say 1 mole, let's say 1 mole CO2 gas, then it represents 44 grams for about weight, 44 grams of CO2, and it is 6.023 10 to the power 23 CO2 molecules, and it is number of atoms here is 3, 1 in plus oxygen 2 atoms, so 1 means 6.023 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon, and 2 into 6.023 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. These are the simple way, and it represents 1 gram molecule because it is 1 molecular mass expressed in gram called gram molecular mass, which is 44 gram. About the volume is simply reiterate 22.4 liters at NTP condition. This is simple application of mole. If you apply it to some simple problems, छोट problem पे हम apply करिबा, किमिता को apply करिबा, देखो गोटे example में दोउची लक्ष्य करो. If I write 8 grams of oxygen gas is equal to, this is example 1. 80 grams of oxygen gas is equal to dash number of molecules is equal to dash number of atoms is equal to dash liter at NTP is equal to, let's say, dash gram mole is equal to dash gram atoms. These are some simple problem we have to come across in our plus 2 career. 80 grams of oxygen is equal to dash molecules. You know what about the oxygen gas? Oxygen gas is symbolized as O2. जेहेतु आमे आको O2 बोली कहिबा तनो O2 रो molecular mass you know 32 gram. Gram molecular mass is 32 gram. Here is 80 gram of oxygen. Means how many parts? It is 1/4. Therefore, the number of molecules, if 32 gram, you know from mole concept, 6.023 10 to the power 23 molecules. When it is 1/4, then you have to divide by 4. Then it comes around 1.506 approx 10 to the power 23 molecules. So here I can write it is 1/4 number of molecules as in 1 mole because 80 gram is 1/4 times of 32 because molecular mass of oxygen is 32. So it is 1.506 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. What about the atoms? You know, because of atomicity is 2, therefore it should be multiplied by 2 with the number of molecules. So 2 गुणी देला हम पाइजवा. So it is 3.012 10 to the power 23 atoms. This is the number of atoms. We got 2 times of this. Again, the volume in liter. You know, for 32 gram, the volume is 22.4 liters. Again, it will be 1 by 4th. That means it is 5.6 liter at NTP. This is a simple way to calculate mole concept. Now, gram mole. Again, 1 gram mole means 32 gram. Here is 80 gram. It is 1/4 of gram mole. Means it is 0.25 gram mole. Again, for number of atoms is double. Therefore, gram atoms is 2 times of gram mole means 0.50 gram atoms. These are the simple way to represent 80 gram oxygen in different manner with number of atoms as well as number of molecules, volume in NTP, number of gram atoms and number of gram moles. Now, let us calculate another simple example like this can be asked. One question is, let's say, calculate, let's say this question is asked to you, calculate mass in gram of magnesium which contains as many as atoms present in 2 grams of calcium. ताबने 2 ग्राम कैल्शियम रे जतिकिटा एटम्स अछंती हमको बाहर करिया को पड़िबो केते ग्राम मैग्नीशियम रे सेतिकिटा एटम्स अछंती. So now first you have to know 2 grams of oxygen or carbon means 2 grams of calcium means how many gram atoms. So you know calcium, its atomic number is 20 and atomic mass is 40. This is the calcium representation. So here 1 gram atoms of calcium is equal to 40 gram. You know. That means 40 gram represent 1 gram atom. So 40 gram Ca is equal to 1 gram atom. Now 2 grams of Ca is equal to 1 by 40 into 2 gram atoms is equal to 1 by 20 gram atoms. So the number of gram atoms of calcium is 1 by 20 gram. Now that 1 by 20 gram atom of magnesium raw weight charge, because the same number 1 gram atom means 6.0 to 10 to the 23. This is also the number of atoms present here is equal to number of gram atoms in all cases. So for calcium, magnesium, you know magnesium having atomic number 12 and atom mass 24. Now here 24 gram means 1 gram atom. So 1 gram atom of Mg is equal to 24 gram for calcium, magnesium. Now how many gram atoms of weight बाहर करेगा पड़ेगा 1 by 20. Therefore 1 by 20 gram atoms of magnesium is equal to 24 into 1 by 20 is equal to here 1.2 grams of magnesium. So this is your answer. So then the mass in gram of magnesium means 1.2 gram magnesium contains equal number of atoms as 2 grams of calcium. This is what is an indirect question and you can be asked like this. Now to have simple to to have a clear understanding about the Mool concept, you have to go through this type of problems that is present in your book. After the chapter, there are a number of small problems. You have to work out that problems, and you may ask in your WhatsApp number or in your next when we are in offline. Thank you.